क्या याद है वो दिन जब एक बड़ा डेट या एक बड़ी इवेंट आने वाली थी एंड एक पिंपल ने आपके फेस पर फोटो बॉम्ब कर दिया? उसका टाइम खत्म। मैं हूं डॉक्टर साहिल सेठी एंड इस वीडियो में आपको बताने जा रहा हूं हाउ टू मैनेज एंड ट्रीट एक्ने। नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, वी आर बैक फॉर पार्ट 2 ऑफ आवर एक्ने सीरीज। In this acne busting masterclass, we will be covering prevention के top 5 tips जो किसी ने आपको नहीं बताए, blood tests और hormones का connection with your skin, PCOS और acne का complicated रिश्ता, grade by grade treatment plans for your specific acne and viral acne patches. Miracle है या सिर्फ marketing? Special solutions for back acne and butt acne. So let's jump right in and bid goodbye to your pesky acne. Prevention is always better than cure. So here are my top 5 tips to prevent those acne breakouts. Tip number 1, double cleanse. Use an oil-based cleanser to remove your makeup and sunscreen and then your regular face wash. Trust me, makeup wipes are never enough. Tip number 2, non-comedogenic products only. क्या आपके मॉइस्चराइजर में नॉन कॉमेडोजेनिक लिखा है? अगर नहीं, इट माइट बी क्लॉगिंग योर पोर्स। टिप नंबर 3, एक्सफोलिएट बट डू नॉट ओवर एक्सफोलिएट। यूजिंग हार्श स्क्रब्स ऑन योर फेस इज अ डेफिनेट नो। यूज अ सैलिसिलिक एसिड बेस्ड क्लेंजर 2 to 3 times a week. Tip number 4, the most important. What goes on your plate is what matters the most, your diet. Avoid foods rich in high glycemic index. Try a 2-week elimination diet and see if it helps your skin clear up. Tip number 5, manage your stress levels. Meditate, go for a walk, run, play a sport. Make sure you stress less. It will take care of your PCOS, your hormone imbalances and eventually lead to much clearer skin. अब बात करते हैं हॉर्मोन्स की। Do you know acne can be a window to what is happening inside your body? Here are a few key tests as a dermatologist I would recommend you get done in case you have excessive acne or facial hair growth. Take a pen and paper and write these down. Your blood sugar levels, your fasting blood sugar, your postprandial blood sugar and your HbA1c. Your fasting insulin levels and your post-meal insulin levels as well. Hormones such as testosterone and DHEAS. Your complete blood count, your thyroid markers such as free T3, free T4 and TSH or thyroid stimulating hormone, and a few inflammatory markers such as CRP and ESR. Coming to PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome. PCOS और एक्ने का रिश्ता बहुत गहरा है। PCOS पेशेंट्स में there is increased oil production which leads to more acne. If you think you suffer from PCOS, consult a gynecologist and a dermatologist for complete care. अब हम चलते हैं how to manage your acne. हर ग्रेड के लिए अलग ट्रीटमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी। For grade 1 acne, that is comedons, blackheads या whiteheads. First and most important, use a salicylic acid based face wash. It helps exfoliate. Gentle exfoliation is the key. And most importantly, visit your dermatologist removal of your open blackheads or whiteheads. For grade 2 acne, we could use benzoyl peroxide for spot treatment. Creams or gels containing an antibiotic like clindamycin along with benzoyl peroxide or adapalene do help. We can use niacinamide serums to suppress the inflammation as well. For grade 3, combination therapy works well. Benzoyl peroxide along with clindamycin gel works amazing. We can use hydrocolloid acne patches as well to keep it in check. Azelaic acid helps reduce inflammation, suppresses the pigmentation that comes along with acne. In case it's severe, visit a dermatologist who would prescribe an oral antibiotic or even oral retinoids in much severe cases. For grade 4 acne, do visit a dermatologist. Do not self-treat. There are prescription-only options such as isotretinoin. For women with PCOS, there are hormone-changing drugs such as spironolactone. There are chemical peels, steroid-based injections to break down the cysts, or we can give high-strength topical medicine as adjunctive therapy. To understand these grades of acne, please refer to my previous video where I have explained them in detail. Now let's talk about those viral acne patches. Are they a medical miracle or just another marketing gimmick? Acne patches work, but with conditions. Hydrocolloid acne patches work best on pustules. They help absorb the pus and fluid. They create a protective barrier as well. What are they not effective on? Deep cystic acne, blackheads and whiteheads, or acne without a head. The professional take, they're great for one-time use and spot treatment. Do not consider them a medical miracle. Consult your dermatologist for a better treatment option out there. अब हम बात करते हैं बैक एक्ने और बट एक्ने के बारे में। काफी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स, बट लोग इसका इलाज पूछते ही नहीं। दोनों का इलाज काफी सिमिलर है। वर्कआउट के समय ढीले कॉटन के कपड़े पहनेंगे। यूज अ सैलिसिलिक एसिड बॉडी वॉश और अ बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड बेस्ड सोप और बॉडी वॉश टू क्लियर आउट योर बट और बैक एक्ने। ऑलवेज शावर इमीडिएटली आफ्टर योर वर्कआउट। ज्यादा देर तक पसीने भरे कपड़े में नहीं बैठेंगे। यूज ब्रीदेबल कॉटन अंडरगारमेंट्स एंड कंसल्ट योर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट फॉर बेटर केयर। बट एक्ने और बैक एक्ने दोनों कंसिस्टेंट केयर से ही ठीक होते हैं। तो दोस्तों, अब आप जान चुके हैं कि एक्ने क्यों हो रहा है, उसे कैसे बच सकते हैं और उसे कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर आया तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें।